Hello dear students, welcome to Computer Science Department. In the last class, we started the discussion about the output devices. Some of the output devices we have started, right? So in that, the first output device is monitor we have discussed. Then the second output device is printer. So in printer, we have discussed there are two types of printers, impact and non-impact printers. So in the previous video, we have discussed the features of impact printer and the example for impact printers. What are those examples? Yes, dot matrix printer as well as the daisy wheel printer. So let us discuss those examples here. So we start with dot matrix printer. So what is this dot matrix printer? The word itself says that it is a dot matrix. So how it prints, it looks like dots. For example, I want to print A. Assume that this is A. I want to print. How it will print? Like this. For example, like this. Just I will show how it looks like this. Using dot, it will print like this. There are so many dots actually. Just I am showing that it looks like A. For example, I will give some more dots so that you can easily understood. Yes. See here. So actually this is A. So with the help of dot matrix printer, we can print the contents or text or images how it looks like this. That's why we called it as dot matrix printer. It prints the text just like it looks like dots. Using dots, it will print. Is it clear? So the next, this printer, the dot matrix printer, it creates image using printhead. I already told this is the example for impact printer. So in impact printer, what we are using? Printhead we are using. With the help of printhead only, is it possible to print? Yes. So that printhead, it will use here dot matrix printer. So next, the speed of this printer. Which printer? The speed of dot matrix printer is around 50 to 500 CPS. So what it means? The speed is 50 to 500 CPS means it is characters per second. CPS stands for character per second, means around 50 to 500 characters per second it will print. So 50 to 500 means some dot matrix printer prints 50 characters, some company dot matrix printer around 100, some 200, some 300, some 400, maximum 500 characters per second it will print. So the speed. The next, prints line by line, means this dot matrix printer, it prints. How it prints? Line by line. Line by line means, for example, this is a paper. Yes, this is a paper. How it prints? First line, second line, third line. For example, this is a paper. Assume that it will print first this line, then this line. Line by line it will print. That's why I told in an impact printer we are using print head and there is striking mechanism. Striking, for example, this is a print head. So it will print like this and it moves like this, print head. It will produce noise. In the previous video I told it produces noises. Yes, sound button. Is it clear? Using printhead. So it will print line by line. If you give this for printing, so it will print first this line, next this line, then next. So it will print character by character it will print. Not at that time line by line, not like that. It's like this. First C, R, E, A, T, E. Like this. It prints character by character. First line is over. Next second line. Then third line. And so on. Right? So next. It consists of an arrangement of tiny pins. Means that I already told. For example, assume that this is a printhead. Assume that this is printhead. It not looks like this. It is a very small device. Yes, it is a printhead. So that printhead contains so many pins. It contains so many tiny pins. Is it clear? So pins means when you press it, it produces like this. For example, That means matrix form. Is it clear? So it will produce like this print. So it display, if you want to print A, only this part will be displayed. If you want to B, only this part will be displayed like this. Yes, this print head contains set of tiny pins. It contains pins. A pins press adavage letters display. I want to print C. How to print? This contains pins. Only this part. Only be highlighted and press. That time it will produce C. Is it clear? So next, it produces set of meaningful dots. So that's the meaning here. So how it prints? When it prints dots. Yes. Once again, I will repeat here. What it says? Suppose I want to print A. I want to print A. How it prints? It produces so many dots. It prints so many dots so that it can get meaningful information or meaningful result or meaningful dots. Means it can press here. For example, it contains like this. There are so many dots here. Only A part will be highlighted. That only these pins highlighted and strike and it display A. Suppose I want to display B. So what happens? There are some pins here. That pins only display here like this. Is it clear? So it produces a set of meaningful dots. Means what? It display dots only. But that dots, it looks like letters. When you can, is it possible to see the dots? When you closely look. Yes, dot matrix print print tegedirthivi. Adana ನೀವು close ದಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ zoom ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get some dots there. You will get some dots. That's why we call it a dot matrix printer. So nowadays we are rarely using. Right? Nowadays we are rarely using. Some banks we are using this kind of printer. There is dot matrix printer. Is it clear? So these are some of the important features or some brief introduction about dot matrix printer. Then second one, daisy wheel printer. So daisy wheel. So again it is a printer only. Yes, it's a what type of printer? It is again impact printer only. So daisy wheel means this is a old model printer. Nowadays we are not using at all. We are using dot matrix, but daisy wheel we are not using. Yes, so this is a old model printer. So this printer contains wheel. Wheel means what? Is the wheel soap? No. So wheel means what here? Now chakra ante. Yes, wheel. We know that this is a wheel. Yes, this is wheel. Yes, assume that this is a wheel. This is a wheel. Is it clear? So daisy wheel printer means it contains wheels, and at the end of each spokes, we normally call spokes. Each end, for example, I will draw a little bit bigger here. Assume that this is the wheel, yes, and it contains so many spokes. So many spokes. At the end of each spoke, some letter. For example, this is A, and this is B, and this is 5 or number 6, and this contains L, this contains P, this contains M, like this. End of each spoke, it contains some letters, some numbers. Letters means alphabets or numbers. Is it clear? So characters are arranged on the end of the spokes of a wheel. That's the only I told. So the characters, what happens are, they are arranged on the end of the spokes. Spokes is nothing but now kaddi anta tilkobodu. Yes, at the end, each spokes end there is one letter or numbers, right? So using this, suppose I want to print A, where it is A, that will be strikes here. Suppose I want to print P, only that pin will be strike. I want to print 5, that 5 pin will be strike on paper, like this. So whatever the character you want to print, only that spoke will be pressed on your paper with the help of carbon only. The striking, again it is a striking mechanism. Striking means what? Touching. What they do? These spokes will strike. This spoke will strike on that paper. So that time you are getting the characters. Is it clear? So then it cannot print graphics. This is one of the important point here. This kind of printer means the daisy wheel printer, it prints only characters or only numbers it cannot print graphics because see here, assume that this is a one wheel, it contains some spokes and at the end of spokes we have some letters and numbers only. Only that will be printed. There is no images or no extra symbols. That's why we cannot print the images. Only text and numbers we can print. And whatever we are printing, those are high quality fonts or high quality letters. Yes, compared to dot matrix printer, if you print some text using decibel printer, the quality, again the result on paper is very good compared to dot matrix printer. Is it clear? So these are the some brief introduction about dot matrix printer as well as decibel printer. So these two are the best example for impact printer. So impact printer means what? There we are using striking mechanism. Striking mechanism means here we are using one head. So in this, which one is a head? This end, it acts as a head. A head strike mark. It strikes on paper. Then only the letter will be displayed. A character will be produced. In a dot matrix printer, we are using print head. That head contains number of pins. It contains all those pins are in a matrix form. The matrix form means what? Just like a square shape. There are so many lines, so many pins. That pin will strikes on paper and we are getting the results. So here these spokes act as a striking mechanism. So these are the two examples for impact printer. So both are noisy only. So the next we will go for the second category or second type of printer is a non-impact printer. Beginning only I told the printers are classified into two types. There are two types of printer. The first one is impact printer and second one is non-impact printer. In impact printer, we are using some striking mechanism. Print head we are using. Yes, with the help of that only we are printing. The second one is non-impact printer. So non-impact printer means what? There is no striking mechanism. Means we are not using print head. Means there is no contact between paper and the striking mechanism or print head. Means in generally what you can say, here we are using some print head, but here we are not using any print head. So there is no striking mechanism. Striking mechanism means what? Assume this is a paper, we are pressing like this is striking mechanism. The print head acts as a striking mechanism in dot matrix. Here in decibel, these spokes act as a striking mechanism. But in non-impact printer, there is no striking mechanism. There is no striking mechanism. Is it clear? So let us discuss some of the features of non-impact printer. What are those features? The first one, they are quiet. They are quiet means they are very silent. In impact printer, I told those are very noisy because there is a striking mechanism. ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಟಕ್ 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 ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಎಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್. ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ನಾಯ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್. ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈ. ಸೊ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು impact printer, the speed of non-impact printer. Compared to this, the speed of non-impact printer is very high. Means within fraction of second, if you give print, within 2-3 seconds, you will get the result. You will get the printout. Is it clear? That's why speed is high. Then high quality output. High quality output means what we are getting printout. Here also we are getting the printout. Using dot matrix we are getting printout. We are getting from decibel also we are getting printout. Compared to this, if you take printout using non-impact printer, the quality is very good. That's why the quality is high means akshara agirbodu, letters agirbodu, images is very clear, very attractive. Yes. So it's a high quality output. Then speed is measured. The speed of non-impact printer. How we are measuring? So here impact printer. How we are measuring the speed? Characters per second. How many number of characters it will print? Based on that we are calculating the speed of impact printer. In similar way, the speed of non-impact printer, how we are measuring? DPI. DPI means dots per inch. Using dots per inch. Dots per inch means the number of dots it will produce per inch. 1 inch just dots anna hagtadante. So when there are so many dots, then only the images will produce. Then only the text will be produced. That's why dots will. So DPI means dots per inch. Total number, how much dots it will produce. Then cannot print carbon copy. This is the one actually drawback of using non-impact printer. Means we cannot print carbon copies. But in impact printer we can print carbon copies also. Carbon copy means at a time you can print 2 sheets. Means we can use carbon original and carbon copy. At a time you can print in dot matrix. But here in non-impact printer we cannot print that carbon copy. That is the one drawback here. So these are the some features of non-impact printer. The example for non-impact printer I already told, the inkjet printer and the laser printer. Those two are the best example for non-impact printer. Is it clear? So these are the some of the basic introduction. These are the example for impact printer, dot matrix as well as daisy wheel are the two important printers example for impact printer. And we have discussed some of the features or how it works. So normally the dot matrix, how it works? Yes, the beginning only I told what this is. Suppose there is a paper. Then there is a paper, then there is a carbon or we call it as ink ribbon, and there is a striking mechanism. When the striking mechanism strikes on that ribbon and it press on that paper, you will get the impression or you will get the output. So line by line it will produce character by character, like this is going on. It is the how the working of the dot matrix. Similarly, daisy wheel. So in this we are using wheels. There are so many wheels, and at the end of each wheel there is a letters. We normally call it spokes. At the end of each spokes we have some letter. That letter will be pressed on your paper and you are getting the results. Yes. So in non-impact we have discussed some of the. So here this is the main point. There is no striking mechanism. In non-impact printer, there is no striking mechanism. It will print using some of the technology that we will discuss in the next classes. So here we have discussed some of the features. Means they are quiet, means they are silent because there is no striking mechanism. Sound ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, silent ಆಗಿ output ಬರ್ತದೆ. The speed is high. Compared to this, the speed is high, means very fast. Then high quality. Now in printout ತೆಗೆದಿರ್ತೀವಿ, it is a very high quality output. Then how we are measuring the speed? Dots per inch, DPI, dots per inch. And the main disadvantage here, we cannot print the carbon copy. We cannot print the carbon copy in non-impact printer. So these are the some introduction features and introduction about non-impact printer. So in the next class, we will discuss the example for non-impact printer, that is inkjet printer and laser printer. Okay, thank you.